Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to start a professional website for your furniture business, then this is the best option for you. Here you can see this is a professional website that is built on WordPress platform with Astra theme. So just you can use this theme within couple of clicks. Here you can see it has various sections. Just customer can shop products by category, as well as here you can see this is another products option. Just customer can select one of these products and get this one. After that you can scroll down. It has some more sections that are promotional and attractive. After that it has testimonial option where customers can add reviews and you can build your business trust. As well as here you can see it has a footer section that has some details. Just you can add here your own logo, as well as you can add menu. And it has subscription option where customers can subscribe and get notified when you upload new products. Also when you are offering like sales on your store, then the customers will get a notification. After that here you can see this is a products page, how it looks. So just customer can select these type of various options. For example, this is a variable product that has various colors. Just customer can select any type of color and get this product. So let's see how we can get this type of website design without any coding or programming skills. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name. And the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form. But before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that in dashboard here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain, so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers. Just you can replace with your own name servers, and after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here, the first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS and normally it is used HTTP. After that you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress variant, and after that if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that scroll down, here you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that just you can go here appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security, but I already have SSL. You can see this is a site log, so that means my website is secure. After that you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free variant. And after that I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you can see, the website has clean and simple design. We want to add this professional design and functionality in our WordPress website. So just go to dashboard. Here you can see. After that, find out appearance, then go to starter templates. After that, scroll down. Here you can see build your website now. So now you can select a page builder, Elementor, Here you can see this is an example product that how you can add in your website. So just you can copy product title, and here we are in dashboard. Just go here in products, click here add new, and after that here we can add a product title. After that here we can get some description. After that you can see on the right side you can add product image. The next you can add here gallery images. After that you can add price like this. You can add regular price, sale price, and after that you can add gallery images. The next you can set product category. After that you can add product tags. So the next you can add here product description, and after that just you can publish it. How you can accept payments in your WordPress e-commerce website, just you can go here WooCommerce settings, after that go to payments. So now here you can add your store details, your country, state, and scroll down. Here you can see by default currency is selected dollars. Just you can change it whatever you want. After that here you can see these are by default options: cash on delivery, check payments, direct bank transfer, and just you can enable one of these, and you can also enable all. After that if you want to accept payments with PayPal or Stripe, how you can do that? Just you need to install a plugin. Just you can go here plugin sections, type PayPal, and after that here you can see these are some plugins that you can install. As you can see the first plugin rating is very down, just we can install this second one. So it has 5-star ratings and active 52 installations. Just we can install the plugins, and after that we just need to go in plugin settings. Here you can see, just click here on settings, and after that here you can see this is a button connect to PayPal. So just you can directly connect, and here you can see it is loading. Just you can add your PayPal information like login details. After that it will be automatically connected. So the next, these are some options for manual integration. Just you can copy your production client ID from your PayPal account. After that you need a secret key. The next step is just you can add webhook ID. After that just click on save changes. So this is the way that you can get your professional online store for your any type of business.